Hey guys, what's up? I want to talk a moment about money. Um, if you are one of those people who makes a decent amount of money, but you really don't have much to show for it, or you feel like you just suck at saving, you're like, I'm okay, but I just don't save enough, and I don't invest enough, and I don't do all of those things I'm supposed to do consistently enough, then don't fret, okay? One of the most empowering things for me financially was learning how to manage money in contrarian ways that my parents and everybody had told me, opposite basically from those ways. I'll give you guys an example of one of those ways. Whenever I make a purchase of something material, I always check to make sure that I have the same amount available in cash, and I always make sure that I invest that same amount. So if I'm going to spend, let's say, $14,000 in something, I want to make sure that, I'm going to buy that thing, $14,000, not credit, cash, unless I'm doing it strategically. And I'm also going to invest $14,000 within 24 hours of making that material expense. And I found that, nothing bad has happened since I started doing that years ago. Another one is my income goals. I suck at math. I have dyscalculia. So the way I set my income goals is I will typically set my income goals as 5 times the previous 12 months expenses. Yes, 5 times the previous 12 months expenses. And again, once I've done that, nothing bad happens financially. In fact, I seem to be making more and more money, and I never seem to want for money or be desperate for it, even in challenging financial times. And yes, I face challenging financial times in business, but I don't think I've experienced challenging financial times in my personal life in the last decade. So if you'd like to hear and learn more about contrarian ways of managing your money, and here's the thing, this is effortless for me. I don't need a spreadsheet for any of these things. I just do them and I'm fine because I'm not complex with it. If you'd like to learn about these contrarian ways of managing your money, which there is one requirement though. The requirement is you need to understand the basics of money, and you need to have a healthy respect for it, right? Then we're going to be having a workshop with our financial reboot coach, Vivek Girisan. And that's going to be, I believe it's going to be on March 25th. I'm going to drop a link for it here. Click on it, and I'd love to see you guys there if you're a person who's like trying to figure out their finances. Talk to you later.